Litex hugger ceiling fan, 4 or 5 blade. Total 4 blade holes. You know if you see it or not. That's a white and brass hugger fan. Here is low. And it's in a friend's beach house. They actually own this house. It's actually a friend, my mom's friend's beach house, not mine. Friends. It's actually my mom's friend's beach house. Here is low. This is the only fan in this house. It's going pretty fast. Medium. Let's go high. I think those high really flies. I don't feel a lot of air. That's why Litex is kind of a bad fan. Don't feel a lot of air for huggers. And it has a really shallow blade pitch. I thought for sure it was Casablanca, but I didn't. But it's not Casablanca, it's a Litex. There's no fan in the living room. All this is this black Alaska stand fan. Almost sounds like a bathroom fan. No fan in here. It's just the light.
Excuse me?
Sorry, it's just one of my mom's friend's daughters. Friend. Same mom's friend. It's actually taking a long spin down time. It's like, because of the shallow blade pitch, it's like almost pretty shallow to having no blade pitch at all. I'll show you the washer and dryer. Here it is. It's a Kenmore top loader. And I can't do a spin mode with the lid open. Because I need a screwdriver for that. That's still going. This thing is a freaking long spin down time. Now I'm just gonna only show high reverse. Like how to go or go backwards. It's taking a long spin down time. And that's what it is. For a shallow blade pitch. Hey. Thanks for watching.